Naxos, the largest and most diverse island in the Cyclades archipelago of Greece, is a captivating destination that offers a perfect blend of stunning landscapes, ancient history, picturesque villages, and vibrant local culture. With its golden beaches, mythological heritage, and charming towns, Naxos invites visitors to explore its natural beauty, indulge in traditional cuisine, and immerse themselves in the rich tapestry of its history. The heart of Naxos's allure lies in its breathtaking landscapes and pristine beaches. Agios Prokopios, Plaka, and Agia Anna are just a few of the island's stunning beaches that offer crystal-clear waters and soft sands, providing a paradise-like setting for relaxation and water activities. Inland, the landscapes transition to rolling hills, fertile valleys, and mountains, making Naxos a haven for hiking and exploration. Mount Zos, the highest peak in the Cyclades and said to be the childhood home of Zeus, offers hikers panoramic views and a sense of awe-inspiring mythology. Naxos's rich history is woven into its charming towns and ancient sites. The Temple of Apollo, featuring the iconic Portara monument, serves as a reminder of the island's mythological heritage. The Venetian castle of Naxos in the capital town, also named Naxos, showcases the island's medieval history with its impressive walls and winding streets. The nearby village of Aperanthos, known for its marble-paved alleys and traditional architecture, allows visitors to step back in time and experience the authentic island way of life. The island's local culture is celebrated through its culinary scene and festivals. Naxos's fertile land produces a variety of local products, such as citrus fruits, olives, and the famous Naxian potatoes. The island's tavernas and restaurants serve a mix of Cycladic and Mediterranean flavors, allowing visitors to savor the authentic tastes of Naxos. Local festivals, such as the Dionysia, bring the community together to celebrate with music, dance, and traditional food. Exploring Naxos's hinterland reveals hidden treasures like the quaint village of Philodi, nestled at the foothills of Mount Zos, and the enchanting village of Chalki, known for its historic mansions and artisan shops. The Venetian-era fortified Tower of Castro stands as a testament to the island's strategic importance throughout history. Naxos is a destination that seamlessly blends natural beauty, mythology, history, and local culture. Whether you're lounging on its pristine beaches, hiking through its landscapes, exploring ancient ruins, or savoring its traditional cuisine, Naxos promises an enriching and unforgettable journey that captures the essence of Greek island life, the spirit of antiquity, and the timeless allure of an island that embraces its past while embracing its vibrant present.